Hi everyone, welcome to AJ Maths tutorial. Today I will be teaching you binomial expansion using the Pascal triangle. Now let's look at this question. Use Pascal triangle to obtain the value of 1.002 raised to the power 5 correct to 6 decimal places. But before I dive into the solution, please like and subscribe to my YouTube video by clicking the button below. Here, 1.002 may be written as 1 plus 0.002, so that the expansion of a plus b raised to the power of 5 may be used with a is equals to 1, then b is equals to what? 0.002. Now, in binomial expansion, the power of the first term actually decreases while the power of the second term increases. So here, let me start with the power of the first term. So, of course, it's carrying a power of 5. So we now have 1 raised to the power 5. Then it will decrease to 1 raised to the power 4, 1 raised to the power 3, 1 raised to the power 2, 1 raised to the power 1, then 1 raised to the power 0. Then the power of the second term will increase, starting from 0. So we now have 0.002 raised to the power of 0, 0.002 raised to the power of 1, then 0.002 raised to the power of 2, 0.002 raised to the power of 3, 0.002 raised to the power of 4, then lastly 0.002 raised to the power of 5. Now, we have gotten the number terms. Now, the next one now is to use the Pascal triangle to get the coefficient. Now, how do you find the coefficient using the Pascal triangle? There's a need for us to construct the Pascal triangle. So we have 1, 1, 1. Then we have 2 here. We have 1, 1 by the side. This one we have 3, 2 plus 1, 3. Put 1, 1 here. Here we have 4, we have 6, we have 4, 1, 1. Then here we have 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 1. So at this point, n is equal to 0 here, n is equal to 2 here, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 1 here, n is equal to 2, here n is equal to 3, here n is equal to 4, then here n is equal to what? Is equal to 5. So the coefficient for the binomial with degree 5 is this. So at this point, we'll multiply each of the number or the coefficient to each of the number term here. Of course, we know that 1 raised to the power 5 is still 1. Here, everything is 1, everything is 1 here. So here, we'll now say 1 times 1 raised to the power 5 still give us 1. Now, 0.002 raised to the power 0 is still 1. So everything here is 1. Then you add plus 5 now times 1 raised to power 4 is still 5. Then times 0.002 plus 10 times 1 raised to power 3 is still 10 into 0.002 raised to the power of 2. So I think we keep on multiplying 10 times 1 raised to power 2 and so on and so forth. But it is very important for us to stop here, because if I multiply this, let's multiply. So we now have 1 plus, let me use my calculator. 5 times 0.002 will give me 0.01 plus 10 times 0.002 10 times 0.002. Then we have raised to the power of 2. Then we have this. So here, 10 times the whole of this number will now give us 0.00004. So if you add this now, 40. So if you add this number, what do you now have? We have 1 plus 0.01 plus 0.00040, which is equals to 1.01004. to 40 to 6 decimal places. So like and subscribe to my videos if this video actually helped you by clicking on the bell button below. Thank you.